Mark the lift point. Tension holding steady at 600 tons.
We are rising with the load. Silt storm is heavy down here.
Looking good, we have the center line.
Roger that, blocks are clear, final descent. Dry dock control, this is Heavy Lift 1, approaching the channel, requesting final clearance for entry. Over.
Roger that, Heavy Lift 1. Channel is clear, proceed to the gates.
We are stable, holding position.
Crane, we show green for the lift sequence.
How's the tension on beam 2?
Holding steady at 50 tons.
We have visual confirmation, clear to proceed.
Confirming contact sequence initiated. Stand by for weight transfer.
Roger, side A is clear.
We are seated, all positions green.
This delamination is extensive, and the weld fatigue here is significant. We'll prioritize this section for repair.
We need another meter on this roll. How's the 3-meter offset look down there?
Looks good, keep rolling it out.
Final adjustments on zone 4, we're showing 100% coverage now.
Confirmed. The neutralization sequence is active.
Maintain vertical sweep, 0.4.
Copy that, horizontal clear on SAW 2.5.
There it is again, 4 millimeters right here. Noted, 70% loss confirmed on the aft section.
The material loss exceeds parameters.
Confirmed. 23 sectors require total replacement.
The heat affected zone is minimal, well within tolerance. Documenting that now. The shear lip looks clean.
Structural complete. Sign-off confirmed. Proceed to coating phase.
Overhead alignment confirmed. TDC locks engaged on branch 7. Continuous bead applied, pressure steady.
The reveal is perfect.
0.1 millimeter exactly, sir.
Ready for the epoxy bond on the left?
Set the peak intensity to 480 nanometers now.
Confirmed. The transition is smooth.
The walnut enhancement looks excellent at this spectrum.
Sonar array is passing diagnostics.
Excellent. That completes the final protocol. She's ready.
Thrust vectoring sweep complete.
Autopilot integration solid at 32 knots.
All parameters in the green.
Radar check complete.
Latency nominal.
Thermal ID secure. Integration, all green.
The certification is now finalized, valid for 5 years.
Excellent work. Congratulations to the team.
1,000 RPM, absolute stability.
Confirmed, Chief. All systems green.
Holding 3 knots, course is steady. How's the wake looking, starboard?
Starboard confirms, Captain. Golden ribbon perfection.
The bow wave is spectacular today, Captain. All parameters nominal.
Indeed. Maintain course and speed.